Welcome back. This is part 18 of JS with React. We have covered everything. The only thing that I want to do in this video is add the notation. Notation is the system they use to write the moves. And there are different kinds of notations, and we will take a look at the algebraic as shown here. This means that the pawn has moved. This means that the knight has moved, bishop has moved to this square, and so forth and so on. So if you are interested in chess, it's a very good read to know about the moves. Okay, so let's go to the app.js, and here I will have a, let's call it control section. This will have the moves list and the take back, which I will have to define. So let's go to the components. Here I will define a control folder. JS. A bits folder and moves list. And so here control will be I need to have these two. Same thing similar here. And let's go here and fix the imports. Okay, but they are here. I want them to be here. So let's go to the actually app.css. And something like this. So now it will be here, which is the thing that I want. Okay. Next step is go and have some CSS for the control. Let's go here, refresh. Yeah, I have the controls and everything here, as you can see. Okay, so we are done with the control. Don't have anything to do here, but I just need to get the moves. So when the pieces move, let's go to the pieces. And when we do the move here, before making the move, just get the notation for that move. We'll have a helper function here, and I will send it a bunch of things. First is the piece, then the rank and file that the piece has moved from, then X and Y, the position that is going to, and the position as well. This will be used for capturing. This is the current position for now. Okay, so I need to have this from the helper function. Let's go to the helper here. So there are a bunch of rules here. Let me export it first. So there are a bunch of rules. If we go here, so the pawn moves is we just show destination. So E4 means that a pawn has moved to the position E4. The same is here. This means that a knight has moved to this position. This means that a knight has moved to this position. X means the bishop has moved to this position and captured something that was in this position. This means that the pawn that was on file D has moved to C6 and captured what was there. And this means just short castle. And we have 3O, which means long castle. Okay, so I will write these. First, let me convert the rank and file to number. Then let's first take care of these. So here, if the file is bigger than void, it means that we have castled in this direction. So it's short castle, and if it's in this way, then it's a long castle. Okay. Next thing is the pieces. So here I'm saying that if it's not a pawn, then just write the name. So for example, capital K or something, and if the destination has something, then add the X. Here is a capture for pawn, and when all this done, we need to add the destination. And the only thing that is remaining is the promotion. So if a promotion happens, let me see if they have covered it here. No, so the promotion will be something like D8, then equal sign, and then the piece that it has promoted to. So something like D8 equals Q, which means that the pawn has promoted to queen. So and it will be passed along here as well when we want to promote, and in the end we just return the note. Okay, let's see what we get. Yes, it's correct. Yes, f4, e5, this is not right. this one is correct. Okay, let's take a look at this one. I need to have it like this. So yes, now it's correct. F takes E5. Awesome. So I have this function in place. The only thing is that now I need to send it to here, so it stores in the state so that I can use it later on in the moves list. So just send it like this, and let's go to the make new move. Grab it here and send it along the reducer. Grab the moves list from state and then add it here as well, which means that we need to define it in the constant here. So moves list at first is empty, and then it will be added as we move. So let's go here, make a few moves. Go to the components. So here I have E4, D5, E5, F5, and it takes F6, which is correct. Cool. So now I need to have this in here. Let me close everything. Go to the moves list. I don't want this. Say this is like so. I need to grab the moves list from the state. Then here the moves list. I will map each one to a move and an index. Let's have a div with the key of I and here we will have the move. Just close the div like so. So for every move we will have a div. The rest will be a CSS. So I need a CSS here. Which shall be imported. Yes, as you can see I have it here. So very small explanation is that I have, for every move I have a div, and the ones that are like odd, they have a before class as well that will include the move number, which has been done here, and the rest is basically CSS and class and colors and everything. Okay, so I have the moves in place. So let me see if I have the promotion here as well. Nah, I need to write it as well. So let's go to the promotion box. So here I can say that the new move I have the rank file X and Y in the promotion square. Then the piece is the color that we have plus P because it will be a pawn that is promoting. What else do I want? I want the promotes 2, which is going to be a color plus a option that I have chosen, and the position, which is the app state. Okay, let's send it here as well. Refresh. Let's capture here. Cool, and then move. Let's do this. Oh, it's Y's turn. Yeah. So it's BB and it's WK, but I just need the last one. So how did I define it here? Yeah, I just need the, here I just need the option. So again, yes, and yeah, correct. Okay, so this part is done as well. So I'm done with the notation. The only thing that is remaining is the take back. Okay, let's say that okay, cool. Now I need to dispatch something. And of course I need to write this function. And let's go here. Define it. And in the reducer, I need to get the position, which is the list of the positions, and the moves list, which will be list of the moves, and the turn. Take this from state, because after take back all of these will change. So if the position dot length is bigger than 1, then we can go back. So the position is yes, and the same for the moves list. And the turn also. And in the end I will return them. So here I can say that like so, and now nothing happens, but as I move I can go back and it's not white, it's black's turn, white, white. Let's take back. Yep, so it's working fine. So yeah, this is the end of our series. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video and have learned something. Please provide any comments or suggestions that you have in mind, and see you soon with a new series. Thank you for watching and goodbye.